The Hero XPulse 200 is a dual-sport motorcycle built for adventure, combining rugged off-road capabilities with city-friendly practicality. Powered by a 199.6cc, 4-valve, oil-cooled single-cylinder engine, it delivers around 18.9 bhp and 17.35 of torque, ample for tackling both highways and trails. With a 5-speed transmission and fuel injection system, it offers smooth power delivery and decent fuel efficiency, averaging about 32.9 kPa. The XPulse 200 stands out with features like long travel front forks, a 10-step adjustable rear monoshock, a 220mm ground clearance, and dual-purpose tires, making it capable of handling rough terrains with ease. It also sports a digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and LED lighting for modern utility. A curb weight of 159 kilos and a seat height of 825 mm make it manageable for most riders. Priced around PKR 314,500 in 2025, it remains one of the most affordable adventure bikes in its class. Hero also offers a rally kit for off-road enthusiasts, including upgraded suspension and a flatter seat. The XPulse 200 is ideal for riders looking to explore beyond the pavement without compromising everyday usability. Would you like a comparison with the XPulse 210 or another bike?